Enjoy a stunning visual experience with beautiful and vibrant colors thanks to the extensive LED range and accurate color reproduction. The system provides bias lighting, which is particularly beneficial for your eyes in dark environments, like reducing eye strain and enhancing visual comfort. From the front of the TV, the installation is invisible, maintaining a sleek and premium look. Unlike backlight systems that require a camera on top, you don't have to set it up with Wi-Fi as it comes pre-configured with optimal settings. However, connecting to the app unlocks additional features for enhanced customization. If the effects seem too choppy, you can make them smoother or speed them up if the transitions are too slow. Customize your lighting experience through the app. Choose from solid colors, dynamic patterns, or even sync it with the built-in equalizer for a music-responsive display. Easily adjust the brightness through the app to suit your comfort level, ensuring the lighting is never too harsh on your eyes. The LEDs on each side perfectly synchronize with the corresponding side of the screen, enhancing the immersion of your viewing experience, especially during vibrant and action-packed scenes. The light response is instant and not delayed, as it uses HDMI input rather than a camera on top, ensuring a faster and more accurate sync with the video. Even if your show doesn't reach the edge of the TV screen, the system works flawlessly when you enable the appropriate setting in the app. Setting up can be a bit tricky since each LED strip must correspond precisely to the correct side of the TV. The system can't display everything showing on the TV, only content running through the HDMI. This means you might need additional devices like a Fire Stick and an HDMI switcher to connect all your devices to the lighting system. The sound equalizer uses room sound instead of TV audio, which can result in a slight delay and less accurate synchronization. The system supports video outputs of up to 120 frames per second at 1080p, which might not be ideal for avid gamers, but works perfectly for those still using a PS4. If something is left playing on the TV, the lights will remain on, even if the TV itself is turned off. An extra bright setting would be fantastic for watching shows in daylight or with the room lights on.